Memley. Lights on the car corner pace truck, duck on down. And he's going to pick it up. They're going to follow around. Austin shot. Here they come. Great flag, and we're Roadrunner racing. Good start. Bill Balmus way high. Hang on to it. Justin Wagner looks like he wants to make it 3 wide. Oh, the inside's still going to be tough for these guys. Justin Wagner going to the inside. We got a challenge for the lead. Whoa! Bill Balmus with a smaller size car. Last year he had one of those big wide Impalas or Caprices. This year he's got a small body style Monte Carlo. Wonder how different they are. But he's feeling the heat from Justin Wagner. Wagner looking to the inside of Balmus. And whoa, they got close. Justin Wagner on the hard inside. Will Kevin Memley go 3? No, but Kevin Memley is bringing it. Phil Special right there on Memley's back bumper. I know Keegan Rodden back there in the 88 had spent the last 2 weeks furiously working on that 88 machine to get it out here. So not quite got everything figured out, but at least he's out on the racetrack. As we've got a battle for second, it's Kevin Memley challenging Justin Wagner. Bill Balmus just kind of saying, do your thing, just don't pass me. Bill Balmus going a little sideways, got one of those GoPro cameras. Whoa, Bill Balmus smacks the wall. First driver to say hello to the Rockford Speedway wall in turn 1. Everything's good, we are still racing. Kevin Memley says, thank you, Bill. So we are getting white flag next time by. Right now it's Kevin Memley, or is it Justin Wagner? Phil Special dropping back a little bit from the leaders. Justin Wagner dropping back a little bit. It could be our 2018 Roadrunner Track champion to win this race. We'll find out. Bill Balmus starting to have all kinds of trouble. I don't think the wall move really helped his aerodynamics at all, folks. As the 3 of Kevin Memley might take the checkered, and he might not. And it's going to be Memley, followed by Wagner, Special, Balmus, Shot, and Rodden. So, new car problems for the 64 of Bill Balmus. But they do call him Wild Bill. So bringing it out on the track right now. Like I said, that's our 2018 Roadrunner Track champion. Driving a 1976 Buick Century. How many of you were born in 1976 or before? A few. Sponsored by KO Fleet Maintenance, Advance Auto Parts in Elgin, Moose Motorsports, and Trump 2020. Here he is, Kevin Memley.